Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naila Kartika Safarani and my student's number is 435231016. I am from English Education Department of Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Latansa Masira University. This video is made to fulfill the final exam of academic speaking course with the lecturer Mrs. Nurul Afiatana MPD. And my final exam is to be a Master of Ceremony with the title International Forum on Language for the World 2024. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning distinguished guests, participants, and esteemed colleagues from around the globe. Welcome to the International Forum on Language for the World 2024. Held here at the SM Indonesian Convention Center, Jakarta, Indonesia. It is both an honor and privilege to be your Master of Ceremony for today's event. My name is Naila Kartika Safarani, and I am thrilled to guide you through this inspiring event. We have gathered here to explore the profound impact of language as the bridge for global communication, understanding, and unity. Today's forum celebrates the diversity of languages and their role in fostering peace, collaboration, and cultural exchange. Ladies and gentlemen, before we officially begin the International Forum on Language for the World 2024, we are delighted to present a special performance of Tari Saman, a traditional dance from Aceh, Indonesia. Tari Saman is renowned for its synchronized movements and rhythmic claps, symbolizing unity and teamwork. Let us give a warm round of applause to welcome the performers to the stage. Give applause! Thank you for our talented performers for the mesmerizing and skillful presentation. It was a truly wonderful way to set the tone of today's event. Before we dive into the program, here are a few housekeeping notes. First, kindly keep your mobile phone on silent mode to ensure the smooth flow of the event. Second, for our virtual participants joining via online platform, please ensure your microphone is silent unless speaking during a session. Third, feel free to use the hashtag Language for the World 2024 when posting about today's event on social media. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have a lineup of esteemed speakers today who bring a wealth of expertise and inspiration to our forum. Let me introduce them to you. First is Dr. Anwar Ibrahim. Dr. Ibrahim represents UNESCO in the field of linguistic diversity and has dedicated his career to preserving endangered languages worldwide. His work highlights the importance of multilingual education and cultural preservation. The second is Professor David Crystal. Professor Crystal is a renowned linguist and author for his groundbreaking work in language studies, including the Cambridge Encyclopedia of Language. He will share his insight on the role of language in shaping global communication. The third is Dr. Suzanne Romain. Dr. Romain is a sociolinguist celebrated for contribution to linguist anthropology, have influenced polities worldwide. The last is Dr. Bambang Kaswanti Purwo. Representing Indonesia, Dr. Bambang Kaswanti Purwo is a distinguished linguist and expert in applied language. He has significantly contributed to the study and promotion of the Indonesian language and its role in fostering national identity. Let us welcome each of our speakers with a warm round of applause. To officially begin today's event, it is my pleasure to invite Dr. Bambang Kaswanti Purwo, Indonesian language scholar and cultural ambassador, to deliver the opening remarks. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Purwo to the stage. Give applause! Thank you, Dr. Purwo, for that inspiring keynote address. Up next, we have Dr. Anwar Ibrahim, UNESCO representative for language diversity. Dr. Ibrahim will enlighten us with his presentation on preserving endangered language for a sustainable future. Please join me in welcome Dr. Ibrahim. Give applause. Thank you, Dr. Ibrahim, for your amazing speech. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now take a lunch break. The buffet lunch is available at the lounge area outside the main hall. Or feel free to start and recharge. Please return to your seat by 1 p.m. as we continue with our exciting program. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue to our second session. Please welcome our next speaker, Professor David Crystal. He will be sharing his insights on the role of language in shaping global communication. Please give applause. Thank you, Professor Crystal, for sharing your insight on the role of language in shaping global communication. For our last speaker, please welcome Dr. Suzanne Romy. She will explain her research about language diversity and its social impact. Give applause. Thank you, Dr. Romy, for your amazing speech. Ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude today's event, we would like to take this moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed speakers through the tokens of appreciation. First, we would like to invite Dr. Bambang Kaswantipurwo to the stage to receive the token of appreciation. Kindly welcome Dr. Purwo, accompanied by a representative from the organizing committee, to give the token of appreciation. Give applause. Thank you, Dr. Purwo, for your invaluable contribution. Next, we invite Dr. Anwar Ibrahim to the stage. Dr. Ibrahim, please come forward to receive your token of appreciation presented by one of our organizing committee members. Give applause. Thank you, Dr. Ibrahim, for your inspiring speech and dedication to language preservation. Moving on, we may now invite Professor David Crystal to the stage. Please join us to accept this token of appreciation presented by another representative of our organizing committee. Give applause. Thank you, Professor Crystal, for sharing your incredible insights on global communication. Finally, we would like to invite Dr. Suzanne Romy to the stage. Dr. Romy, please accept this token of appreciation presented by a member of our organizing committee. Give applause. Thank you, Dr. Romy, for your enlightening presentation on language diversity. Let us give a big round of applause to all our distinguished speakers for their contribution to this forum. Ladies and gentlemen, before we officially close today's event, we would like to invite all our esteemed speakers and panelists for a group photo session to commemorate this special occasion. May I kindly invite Dr. Bambang Kaswantipurwo, Dr. Anwar Ibrahim, Professor David Crystal, and Dr. Suzanne Romy to join us on the stage. To our participants and guests, please remain seated while we capture this memorable moment. Thank you to our distinguished speaker for participating in this session. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give them a warm round of applause once again. Give applause. As we come to the conclusion of the International Forum on Language for the World 2024, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our speakers, panelists, participants, and organizing committee for their incredible effort and contribution. Your active participation and enthusiasm have made this event a resounding success. Let us continue to celebrate and harness the power of language to build a more connected and harmonious world. On behalf of the organizing committee, thank you for being part of this event. Have a wonderful day, and we look forward forward to seeing you again at future gathering. Thank you and goodbye.